The world has grown quiet today, and even the colors seem to have faded away.
Oh, I see a glimmer in the distance. The colors must be hiding right over.
Listen closely, Puffy, for the rainbow was last seen hiding behind the dark mountain after the powerful storm passed through.
No matter how far the path goes or how many mountains I have to climb, I know that my journey is leading me exactly where I need to be.
Do not worry, little rainbow. I am here to help you shine bright again. Just look at us play way up here in the sky.
I love how the rainbow glows.
Let's jump and dance together all